Hey guys, now, hello everybody. Sorry the battery light is on right now, so hopefully this doesn't turn off, but I figured that it's been 11 months since I've shown you a video of this spinning, okay? So I'm going to make a video of it spinning with the worm movement. So, alright, well, here we go. What are you doing? Cabinet. Oops, sorry. Sorry, I moved this No, I don't think that. Just so you know, the part where the bleach dispenser is kind of actually moving, kind of just straight instead of just going round in circles. Kind of moving round and around. It's just going that way. Not right in this area. Right in this section right there. Okay. It's straight, kind of like that, as you see. Let you know. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's an issue on it. Take the time. So I can go. I got a new light in here. Okay, well there you have it guys, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Sorry, the camera moved out of position, but anyway, just thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, okay?
Actually, bye.
Alright, well, bye.